Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cloudflare not verifying when a human verification keeps failing. So in order to fix this issue, there are some of the things that you need to keep in mind when you are accessing the website inside your web browser. So first of all, with our web browser you are using, make sure that it is updated to the latest version. For example, let's say currently I'm using the Chrome web browser. So you can click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Then you can click on the option of settings. So when you are inside the settings, look for the option of about Chrome, and over here you just have to simply click on the option of Chrome update. So if you see any kind of update, you need to simply click on that, and it is also going to show you whether your web browser is on the latest version or not. After doing this, the next thing that you need to do is to simply just click on the extensions tab here on the top, then click on the option of manage extensions. Now over here in your web browser, if you have installed the VPN services and the ad blocker services, then you need to simply disable these extensions and try to get access to the website again after doing this. Now while accessing the website, if you are using VPN or any proxy, you need to simply disable that, and again you need to disable that extension as well, and then again you need to try again. Now if you are facing the same problem again and again, even after doing all of these things, there may be the issue with your network. So you can click on your PC or laptop on this particular Wi-Fi icon, and here you can try switching to a different network, such as if you are using a mobile hotspot, then you can go with the Wi-Fi network. And network restrictions or the IP reputation can sometimes cause the verification problem, so you can also basically make changes into this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.